Today, the very first lesson of this French video series covers regular present tense conjugations. All French verbs belong to one of three verb groups, ER, IR, or RE verbs, and each group of verbs have their own conjugations, or verb endings, depending on the tense, mood, and subject being used. The French subject pronouns are je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il, elle, and vous can also be used as the formal singular version of you, whereas tu is informal and cannot be plural like vous. The present as well as the preterite in French simply remove the infinitive ending of the verb and then add their respective endings to that stem. The present tense endings for ER verbs are on, et, So for the verb parler, we remove the infinitive ER ending, giving us a stem parle. And to this stem we add the respective present tense ER verb endings afterwards. Parle, 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 parlons, parler, parle. The present tense endings for IR verbs. Ils sont, ils se, is. For the verb choisir, we remove the infinitive IR ending, giving us the stem chois. And to this stem we add the respective present tense IR verb endings afterwards. Choisi, 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 choisissons, choisissez, choisis. The present tense endings for RE verbs. On, et, For the verb vendre, we remove the RE ending, giving us the stem vendre. We then add the respective present tense endings afterwards for RE verbs. Vendre, vende, vendre, vendons, vendez, vendre. And that sums up regular French present tense conjugations. I apologize for any of my mispronunciations because I am not a French speaker. As I always say, I would very much appreciate it if you could please do me a favor and share this video series with your friends and teachers. And that is all for now, so until next time.